all together, y'all. If you want to know how I turned this trip right here to Atlanta into a business trip, then stay tuned. Hey, what's good, y'all? About to break it down to y'all right quick, cause y'all know right here we get right to the point at Hood Pencil Pusher. All my business stuff right here with me. So let's get right to the point here. But don't forget to go down there in the bio. It's tax season to get you strategic tax courses that itemizes everything you need. The only way to maximize your taxes. Make sure you go and cop a copy of my book, The Credit Hustle, so you can learn credit control, which teaches you how to manipulate your credit. So you could be able to utilize it to benefit you in the ways that you need it to benefit you at those moments. And then also, don't forget to join Pusher Academy, where you can learn the 3 things that I teach at the 3 different levels. Join and learn how to join credit unions. Hundreds of dollars of bonuses is inside of there. Yo, that's just something there that you just gotta be. That's just something that you gotta do. But let me just tell you how you could turn a trip into a business trip. Well, first off, of course, you have to have your LLC set up and all your paperwork set up, and your business banking structure has to be done properly. For free consultation as well, that down there will also be in bio, which will take you to my landing page, which will take you to everything, and we can talk about business banking structure as well. But after you have all of your paperwork scheduled, what you do is you go on a vacation or business venture, business trip, I say, and you go on it, and you go to a conference or something. Me, I went to a conference. I went and I seen some partners. I made some deals, and then this morning I went out to with some other partners as well. And then also whatever hotel that you stay at, make sure that it has business amenities that you can be able to utilize. In a couple hours, I'm about to have me a little event that I told people that I was coming to. Told people already that I was coming to Atlanta, and then after that, I told them I'll be hosting an event. Would you just come to my event? This is the hotel that I'm going to be staying at, and then the hotel, you just make arrangements with the hotel so that you could be able to utilize their facilities for your business event. So then you just took a vacation, and you just made it a business vacation. Then that would make the vacation, the room, plane trip, and all expenses that is used on that trip as a direct business write-off, because it was a business trip. It wasn't a plane trip. And then also as well, make sure that you at least stay a whole weekend. Well, I can't say that it matters on how long you stay. It really just matters on what you do. I'm just gonna say like that. What you do while you on the trip. So make sure try not to spend too much cash while you on your business trip, because you want to be able to keep track of your expenses of everything that to make sure that you get the maximum tax write-off at the end of the year. But once again, just like I said, it's tax season, and if you need help itemizing it, and if you need a strategic strategy plan to use, not just coming to your tax advisor like, hey, boom, file my taxes. No, coming in with a plan and a list of write-offs which you can maximize it. And I have courses on personal and business. And as well, you can email me, call me. I'm right here for y'all all together. And remember, y'all, here it does pay to pay attention. Little pencil pushing.